Today is 15th November 2020 and I am sitting here alone in this empty PVR director's cut ambience mall. This is empty hall. Some persons tried to record all of a they came all of a sudden at 11:37 a.m. and they tried to record me with malified intentions at the directions of murderer Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Election Commission of India, just because I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. Today is 15th November 2020. I'm at PVR Director's Cut Ambience Mall, VASANT KUNJ. And some persons came all of a sudden at 11:37 a.m. and they tried to record me with malified intentions. This is an empty cinema hall. I'm watching the movie all alone.
This will enable us to
and they came and they used a flash to they were there and they tried to used a flash and they tried to record me with malified intentions in this PVR director's cut ambience mall. It's an empty cinema hall. The CCTV footage of this mall of this PVR director's cut ambience mall will prove. Today 15th November 2020. The time at which this incident happened was at 11:37 a.m.